We'll guide you through how to navigate the latest Calendly updates. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Calendly website. Log in with your credentials if you haven't already. Once you're in, you'll notice the updated dashboard, which is designed to make your scheduling process even smoother. On the left side, you'll see the new navigation menu. Click on Event Types to view all your current event setups. If you want to create a new event, click on the New Event Type button at the top right. You'll be prompted to choose between a one-on-one or group event type depending on your needs. After selecting, you can customize the event by setting the duration, location, and adding a description. Now, if you need to update your availability, go to the Availability tab in the navigation menu. Here, you can adjust your working hours and set specific dates when you're available or unavailable. To integrate with other tools, click on Integrations from the menu. You'll find options to connect with Google Calendar, Zoom, Microsoft Teams, and more, enhancing your scheduling capabilities. If you're managing multiple teams or users, the Team section in the menu allows you to view and manage team scheduling, making collaboration easier. Remember to check the Settings section to personalize notifications and privacy options according to your preferences. As always, the search bar at the top can help you quickly find any feature or setting you need. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.